Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to delete a Venmo business account. First, I'm not going to show you an inside app tutorial, so if you're looking for that, I apologize. So how to delete a business account. Of course, if you want to delete both your business and your personal accounts, it's very simple. You can just go to Me tab as example. You can just go to this Me tab at the bottom right. Then you will find the gear icon at the top right. Click on it, go to account, go to privacy, and click on delete your account. So I guess it's going to be right here. So yeah, settings, then preferences, not of course on the settings icon. Go to account and click on close an account. But this will close both your personal and your business account as well. So if you want to close only, as example, I have a personal account and a business profile. Can I close one of them without closing the other? You can close, as you can see, your business profile without closing your personal profile. And if you close your personal profile, your business profile will be closed as well. So if you wish to close your business profile, you will need to contact us. So you will have to contact the support, and of course, there are a few important things to keep in mind while making this decision. Business profile are permanently deleted when closed, and they can't be reactivated. And you won't be able to create a second business profile tied to your personal account. New business profile also representing the same business entity can't be created. And as we said, to close a personal account, if you're looking for that specifically, you can just go to Me tab, second settings like gear, click on accounts, and then click on close a Venmo account. And make sure to transfer any money that you have on your accounts on to your debit card, or send it to another Venmo user, or return the payments back to the sender. If basically just clear all your assets from a Venmo account, and if you have a pending transactions, wait for them until it's finished before closing your account. So yeah, that's how you do it. That's gonna be for this video. Thank you for watching it. Goodbye.